Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to loop videos in Google Slides so they play continuously during your presentation. It's actually pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open the Google Slides presentation where your video is. Make sure the video is already inserted in one of your slides. Next, click on the video you want to loop. You'll see a small menu or toolbar pop up with video options. Now, click on Format Options. Usually it's in the top menu or appears when the video is selected. This opens a panel on the right side. In the panel, find the video playback section and check the box that says loop. Yeah, that's it. You can also choose to autoplay the video if you want it to start automatically. Finally, go to present mode and test your video to make sure it loops correctly. If it doesn't, double check that the loop box is still checked. And that's all there is to it. Looping videos in Google Slides is super easy and it can make your presentations look really professional. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future tutorials.